Unpalatable truths. One of the more subtle ways we can be manipulated is by what is not said or seldom mentioned. Over the years, and there have been quite a few because I'm 85, I believe this has got worse, especially recently. So each episode, this podcast will focus on at least one unpalatable or neglected fact. My comments, interpretations, and reactions are entirely my own, but the facts will be facts. Unpalatable facts number 3. There has been no official confirmation, as far as I'm aware, but sometime in July, American nuclear weapons came to this country for the first time since 2008. These are upgraded, plane-delivered bombs, configurable from low-yield, 0.3 kilotons, smaller than Hiroshima, to 50 kilotons, more than 3 times Hiroshima, and with GPS-assisted guidance and directional fins. This unannounced change in our nuclear posture within NATO has serious implications. For the last 17 years, there have been no nuclear weapons in the UK. Our nuclear deterrent has been located under the sea in our Trident submarines. This strategy is supposed to make a nuclear strike on this country less likely, and obviously this new deployment at Lakenheath undermines this strategy. It is also an escalation which raises tensions in Europe, particularly with Russia, of course. The fact that the yield on these bombs can be dialed up or down makes them unfortunately suitable for use on the battlefield, something which any potential enemy is likely to recognize and respond to. The flexibility of yield and the precision of aiming of these bombs has another unfortunate consequence, in my opinion. It makes it more likely that somebody will use them, especially on the battlefield. It is also, of course, a further spread of nuclear weapons, making nuclear disarmament less likely, probably causing other nuclear powers to increase their nuclear arsenal and its deployment around the world, and even encouraging some nations at the moment without nuclear weapons to seek to acquire them. All in all, bad news kept very quiet.